What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about converting BDO Blue American Express credit card credit limit into cash. Kasi may dalawang paraan or dalawang way para ma-convert yung credit limit ng BDO Blue American Express credit card ninyo into cash. Ngayon, yun yung isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano yun at saka pag-uusapan natin yung availment fee and of course yung fees and charges at saka yung interest rate. At saka kung paano nga ba i-convert yung credit limit na yon ninyo sa BDO Blue American Express credit card ninyo. Pag-uusapan natin kung saan kayo pwede tumawag para mag-request ng converting your BDO Blue American Express credit card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys here, convert your BDO Blue American Express credit limit to cash through Cash It Easy, installment, or cash advance up to 30% of your limit or credit limit. So as you can see guys, dalawa siya. Pwede siyang Cash It Easy, installment siya, or cash advance up to 30% of your available credit limit sa BDO Blue American Express credit card ninyo. Ano nga ba itong Cash It Easy? Ito yung itatawag nyo siya sa bangko, no? Para mag-request kayo ng cash installment. Tapos ito naman si cash advance, anytime siya basta may cash advance pin kayo. Mamaya, pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba kayo magkaroon ng cash advance pin sa BDO Blue American Express credit card ninyo. Options may include applying via BDO Pay application, BDO Online application or BDO Online app, visiting a branch, or via SMS. Text INST CI 2225678. Interest rates for installment range from 0.49% to 0.99% monthly. Methods to convert BDO Amex or American Express limit to cash. So ito yung mga paraan or methods para ma-convert ninyo yung credit limit ng BDO Blue American Express credit card ninyo. Cash It Easy Installment Program. Convert a portion of your credit limit into cash paid in 3, 6, 9, 12, 8, and 24 or 36 monthly installment with add-on rates. So as you can see guys, pwedeng 3 buwan, 6 na buwan, 9 na buwan, 12 buwan. 18 months, 24 months, or 36 months. So, meaning, 3 months up to 3 years. Kasi 36 months yung pinakamatagal. So, yung 36 is equivalent to 3 years since 12 months per 1 year. Ngayon, let's talk about how to apply for BDO Cash It Easy using your BDO American Express credit card. How to apply? Use the BDO application, BDO Online application, or text INST CI last, first, middle, and send to 225678. So, sinasabi dito last, first, middle. So, ibig sabihin, last name, first name, and middle name. Pwede naman guys, open yung BDO Pay application, tapos hanapin ninyo, punta kayo sa more, then punta kayo sa installment offers. Tapos, pindutin nyo yung cash installment. Ganon din sa BDO Online. Yun yung mga ways para mapaalam ninyo sa bank, no, if ever na wala kayong landline, na sila yung mismo yung tatawag sa inyo para i-allokin kayo ng converting your BDO Blue American Express credit card credit limit into cash. Cash advance. So ngayon, pwede rin naman cash advance guys. If meron kayong cash advance pin. After nito, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano magkaroon ng BDO American Express credit card cash advance pin. Para at least maging anytime, pwede kayong makapag-withdraw ng funds using that credit card sa American Express sa BDO na meron kayo. Cash advance. Access up to 30% of your credit limit immediately at BDO affiliated ATMs or branches. Fees is cash advance fees and interest apply, which typically higher than installment options. Kasi guys, itong si cash advance is automatic siya 3% yung interest rate niya. Pagka-avail ninyo, automatic 3% yun ipapatong sa next billing cycle. Hanggang sa ma-fully paid ninyo yung kinash advance ninyo sa BDO Blue American Express credit card ninyo. Take note lang guys na halimbawa nag-cash advance kayo ng 10,000 pesos. So yung 3% nun is 300 pesos. Tapos on the next billing cycle, 300 ipapatong doon. Hanggang hindi nyo nababayaran ng buo yung 10,000 na kinash advance ninyo, tuloy-tuloy lang yung 300 pesos na ipapatong sa next billing cycle ninyo. Kahit 100 pesos na lang yan or 50 pesos, kapag hindi nyo pa talaga na-fully paid ng buo, as in hindi talaga na-clear yung kinash advance ninyo na 10,000, tuloy-tuloy lang yung 300 pesos. Share ko to para at least maging aware kayo. Tapos hindi lang yun, bawat transaction ninyo sa cash advance using your BDO Blue American Express credit card, 200 pesos yun every successful cash advance transaction. Bawat transaction siya, take note lang guys. Halimbawa, 2 beses kayo nag-cash advance within an hour. So, ibig sabihin, 200 yung magre-reflect sa next billing cycle doon sa credit card ninyo sa BDO Blue American Express credit card. Over the counter, visit any BDO branch to request a cash advance. Pwede rin naman guys, kung may malapit na BDO branch sa inyo, no, pwede kayo mag-visit doon para mag-request kayo ng cash advance using your BDO Blue American Express credit card. At least kahit doon, paano may mga teller na si BDO, at least kung may katanungan kayo, masasagot nila kaagad. Tapos may telephone, may landline naman sila doon, so pwede kayo makitawag doon if ever na kailangan nyo ng further assistance from BDO main branch. Important notes. Interest rates is 0.99% monthly for 3 to 9 month terms. 0.49% naman for 12 to 36 months terms. So kapag gusto nyo lang i-avail guys yung cash installment or yung cash it easy, 3 to 9 months lang, yung interest rate niya is 0.99% monthly. Ngayon, kung gusto nyo naman abutin ng 12 months to 36 months, which is 1 year to 3 years, 0.49% lang siya. So, kung ako sa inyo, at least, yung 12 to 36 months na lang kasi mas makakatipid kayo tapos hindi ganun kabigat yung babayaran nyo monthly. Yun nga lang, medyo matagal siya babayaran kasi 3 years siya hanggang 3 years or 12 months to 36 months. While yung 0.99% is 3 to 9 months lang siya. Pero kung may pera naman na kayo, pwede nyo naman bayaran agad ng buo yun, guys. Tawag nyo na lang sa video customer service na babayaran nyo na yung inutang ninyo din, tapos na. Mag-a-add lang kayo ng 5% sa principal amount. Requirements, a valid active video credit card. So, kung may video credit card kayo, make sure lang guys na okay yung credit card. Yung active siya, hindi siya na-suspended kasi hindi nyo nabayaran. So, make sure lang guys to pay your video credit card on time para hindi masuspended yung credit card ninyo sa BDO. Availability. Cash advance are available at ATMs with BDO with the American Express logo. So ito guys, since American Express yung credit card ninyo, kailangan yung credit card, kailangan yung machine na kung saan kayo magka-cash advance is may nakalagay na American Express. Yung tinatanggap yung American Express credit cards. Kasi kung wala, hindi pwede yun. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for my videos. It's me again, Joseph Cake, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!